Hi, I'm Ollie Graham, and today we're talking about one of the most accessible ways to start building wealth through real estate, investing in single-family homes. Whether you're a first-time investor or looking to expand your portfolio, single-family homes can be an excellent choice. One of the most powerful strategies in real estate is using the equity from your first home to fund your next one, and the one after that. Let me explain. When you buy your first single-family home, and over time its value increases, the equity you've built can serve as the down payment for your next property. This strategy, known as house hacking or simply leveraging your equity, can allow you to grow your real estate portfolio quickly. And it gets even better. As a landlord, you're likely to qualify for some major tax benefits. In the right states, you can take advantage of property tax deductions, depreciation, and mortgage interest deductions, which can really boost your cash flow and increase your profits. When it comes to tax benefits, some states are particularly landlord-friendly. For example, states like Texas, Florida, and Arizona offer no state income tax, which can be a huge advantage for real estate investors. Other states like Georgia and Tennessee have relatively low property taxes, making it easier to maintain a profitable investment. By using your equity to buy the next property, you can scale your investment strategy. Each new home adds more income, more equity, and more opportunities for growth. Over time, you'll be building a diverse and valuable portfolio, creating passive income that works for you. So if you're ready to get started with single-family home investments, remember, it's all about taking that first step. Leverage your equity, find the right tax-friendly state, and keep growing your portfolio. Before you know it, you'll have a solid foundation of real estate assets that can set you up for long-term financial success. Let's turn your real estate dreams into reality, one home at a time.